Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So you guys know I love picking up as many different kinds of Bluetooth wireless earbuds that I can find, because there's some good affordable ones out there, and let's hope that this is one of them. So in this video I'll be unboxing the new SOUNDPEATS true wireless earbuds, and I'll be giving it a sound test and letting you know how I feel about them. So first thing first, these things have 4 microphones and they have the touch controls. I'm not a fan of the touch controls. However, for $33 plus an additional 20% off right now at the recording of this video, I think that's a good look. So, you know, roughly just under 30 bucks you can get these right here. So that's a pretty good deal. 7 hours of playback time, and you have type C USB charge. So they've got wireless charging as well, Bluetooth 5.0. These should be pretty fire, man. I'm really excited to check these out. So let's cut it open here. I'll show you what's in the box. They come in black and white, so you don't have to just get black if you don't want to. You can get the white ones too. If you get the white ones, they kind of look so much like AirPods, probably. You know, anything that's styled like that. Those AirPods, everybody think they're AirPods. So it comes in nice, simple packaging right here. Pretty dope. See, I don't understand sound for urban sports. I don't get that. But nonetheless, let's pop them open here. Got some brochures and all that stuff. And let's see how big. You know, I'm a fan of checking out the charging cases on things. So let's get this open here. Nice charging case. Really nice. And we'll look inside real quick. Oh, there they are. There are the SOUNDPEATS. Now they're not charging right now because it's got the little tip on there. But what else do you get in here? Obviously, you're gonna get a charging cable, and then more than likely some extra tips. Boom, there it is. Type C and some extra tips. So we're gonna take a look at the headphones now, and we're gonna take a look at the case. Just more brochures and stuff down there. Let's put this away. And let's look at the case now. Let me tilt down a little bit here. Oh yeah, there we go. Let's take them out here, and we'll take the little blue protector off. This is so while it's traveling to you, it's not actually charging and wearing the battery down. All earbuds and earphones have that. So then when you put them in there, they'll be charging. So there they are. Now you can see that they're charging, because now the buds have the flashing symbol there to get them to sync. Now the case itself, lightweight plastic, you know, it's what you might find, what you might think is here for affordable headphones. You know, they got to cut some costs, and so, you know, it's a lightweight, thin plastic case. Not, it doesn't feel cheap or anything. It's just plastic. So taking a look at the earbuds themselves, here's what it looks like. Got the SOUNDPEATS logo on there. There's the microphones on them. There's one right there. You got the 2 in there, and then you got the one on the outside right there. Probably hard to see, but there's 1, 2, the other one on the tip, and then you've got 2 more right there. Boom and boom. So 4 microphones on each one of these. These should be fairly easy to get clear sound. So let's grab my device here, and I'm gonna power these on, or get them synced up. I'll show you what it looks like. There they are right there. They're in sync mode as soon as they come out of the box, once you take the little clip off of them. So now they're charged up. So I'm gonna listen to some music real quick, several different genres, and we'll come back in a second here and I'll tell you how they sound. All right, man. So, well, let's talk about the first things first was the comfort and feel. Now, these are super lightweight. I mean, super lightweight. You can tell that they're there or whatever, but they're good. Nice and lightweight. They feel good in the ear. Super comfortable. I didn't have to change the tips. Normally when I get earbuds in, I end up changing the tips on them to get it to fit a little bit more snug. But these are absolutely fantastic. Uh, the sound quality now. Next thing is sound quality is ridiculous, man. As I listen to music on these and playing different songs and things like that, wow, they're actually pretty good. I gotta admit, I wasn't expecting it to sound this good for the price. But if I'm being fair here, these these are on point. And like I've said in other videos, it's not hard for manufacturers to make quality earbuds and earphones now at these low costs, because the competition is so tight. They're almost forced to lower their prices. And for just under 30 bucks, these are a win, folks. Now, I'll circle back around in a week like I normally do, but my first impressions of these new SOUNDPEATS, whoa, these things are fire. I'll use them to make phone calls, do several things over the next week or so. So look for a follow-up video. But until then, I'm going to get back to self-discovery. It's a pretty nice track.